If you're looking for a rural investment in Tennessee, this Madison County home is worth a look. We're taking a closer look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property sitting on 2 total acres, including an additional lot that comes with the sale. That extra land gives you more flexibility, whether you're thinking about expansion, resale value, or long-term investment use. Gathering space that anchors the home. The layout flows naturally into a dining area and kitchen designed for practical use, entertaining, or future renovation. It's a straightforward setup that gives you room to improve without having to redesign everything from scratch. You'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms throughout the home, offering a functional layout that works for families, tenants, or rental income potential. One important upgrade already completed is a new HVAC system installed in 2024, giving you a major system already handled and reducing future upfront costs. Outside, the property expands across 2 acres total, combining the main lot and an additional parcel included in the sale. That extra space can be used for outdoor projects, storage, expansion, or future development, depending on your plans. The front porch adds a simple but peaceful touch, giving you a quiet place to sit and enjoy the rural Tennessee surroundings. While the home does need renovations, that's exactly where the opportunity lies. With the right vision, this could be transformed into a strong flip, rental property, or long-term hold in a growing market.